Come here, man.
Don't do it.
What's your name?
Just kill me.
Dude, show me your fucking hands right now.
Me, bro.
Pull your fucking hand out of your...
Shots fired! Shots fired! This is a second! Move!
Don't fucking move!
Copy that. You say he's on third? Or he's on Denison scan, Second?
Yeah, it's Fern. South of 3rd.
I'm with you, Jenna.
Come here, man.
Don't do it.
What's your name?
Just kill me.
Dude, show me your fucking hands right now.
Me, bro.
Pull your fucking hand out of your...
Myself.
I swear to God, pull your...
Shots fired! Shots fired! This is a second! Get medic, please!
Don't fucking move!
Don't move! Alright, suspect's down. All you guys are okay.
Don't move. He's got 33 right there.
33 in his hands!
No, it's a walkie-talkie, but there's 33s right here. Don't you move or you're gonna get shot. Okay? All right. Got it. Yep. That's him. Somebody get out.
Somebody get on the main air. Get us a medic.
I'm working on it.
All right, on your belly. All right.
You got cuffs?
I got cuffs. There you go. Thank you, brother. We'll get you help, okay?
I just want to die, bro.
No, I know, but we can't allow that. All right.
I don't want to.
Get us some cruisers. Secure this scene.
Copy, I'm on radio.
All right.
Get him in the car. He did too. I think.
I did not.
Okay.
He did.
Okay. You good?
All right.
You good? All right.
I know.
All right.
Listen to me. Listen to me. I gotta roll you off. I gotta get you up on your side, okay? I gotta get you up on your
Tim's
side.
on the way. We should be there in 30.
Got you.
All right. Where you hit at, bro?
Yep.
On your leg.
He's all hit right here.
I know. He's hit his arm once.
Need a medic here now. Where's our
know. Okay. We got him. He's hit once in the arm.
All right. Take the side here. Take the side. Okay. You'll be fine. Hey, look. You know what's good about this?
Sit up, okay?
You're gonna be fine.
I can't move my leg.
I know.
Okay.
I know.
509, this is Tim's. Where do you guys need us?
There you go. How's that?
Denison and 2nd.
Okay. We're gonna leave you sit here like this. Take a deep breath.
Copy that. We're heading that way.
Okay.
Should be
Hey,
about a
move your
minute.
car. Block that road. You're on shell cases. Get that road
I
blocked.
thought you were radio.
Hey. Go now.
I'll call anybody from now.
Anything else on you?
Yeah, he said he had a gun.
Well, I don't think that's a mistake. Nope. Just stay back, okay, please?
Stay back.
Hey, okay. Okay. We're making good witnesses. You're fine, ma'am. You're fine.
We gotta get him. Take him.
I know.
509 to Tim. Yes, sir. Copy, thank you.
Stay with me, bro. Keep talking to me, okay?
No, I'm good.
I'm sorry about that, you guys as well. You said Denison and